Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first let's get started with the hair, and in the top we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And then starting back on the right hand side, we're going to curve this around and back down. Let's move up again in the center, curving this around and in towards the side. And then again on the right. One last time as we move up, we're going to curve this around, back in on the side. And now let's come down and draw in the shape of the face. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this out and down, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in for the cheek. And then now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line across towards the center, drawing in the chin. Let's draw in our eyes. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out and down. We will do the same on the left. Let's thicken this line up. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out and over for the eyelash. And then from here, we're going to curve this back in for the eyelash. And then again, just thickening that up as we come in on the side towards the bottom. And then we'll just color that in black. Now let's come underneath and we're going to draw in a half circle for the pupil of the eye. And then in the top left corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of the eye black. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to bring this line out and down. We'll do the same on the right. Now we're going to bring this line up, across, and connecting that in the corner. Now let's draw in the nose. So we're going to arch this line around and then in on the right. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Let's close off the rest of the hair. So on the top, we're going to bring this line around and in. We will do the same on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw in a half circle for the ear. On the top for the hair, we're going to draw in some details. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the top. Let's come down, making that slightly smaller. Again, let's move down, making that smaller one more time. And then lastly, for our last line, we're just going to make that even smaller, curving this out towards the side. Now let's draw in the details in the ear. So we're going to draw in a circle here for the earring, right in the corner. Let's add in some details in the ear. So we're going to curve this line out on the top. And then we're going to arch this down and back in on the bottom. Now let's draw on the rest of the braid coming back. So starting on the top, let's bring this line around and down. We're going to leave a gap, curving this line over and back down. Now let's close this off, connecting this together from left to right. As we come down on the side, we're going to curve this all the way over and in. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line through and then down on the right. And then we're going to close this off by connecting this in towards the side. Let's step down again, curving this around and back down. And now starting on the bottom here, we're going to curve this line around and through, and then starting back on this line, just connecting this, curving this around and in at the point there. Now from the middle, let's curve this around and in. Moving up, we're going to curve this line through. Again, arching this over. And then one more time, curving that up behind the ear. And then again, just curving that back in on the side. Now let's come down and draw in our neck. So we're going to start on both sides, curving this line out. For the neck here, we're going to bring this line around and in. Let's bring this line down for the collar of the shirt, bringing this all the way down towards the bottom, ending that at roughly the same height. From here, we're going to connect this with a curved line. Now on the side, let's bring this line down on a diagonal. We'll do the same on the right. And then we're just going to close this off by curving this in towards the jacket. On the left-hand side, let's draw in a small circle. Now in the center, let's draw in the pendant. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on the left and right-hand side. Stepping down, let's replicate that again. Let's draw in a curved diagonal line coming up on both sides. Now let's come up for the choker necklace, and we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Stepping down, replicating that one more time. And then now we're just going to draw in a curved line as we come all the way across, leaving an even amount of space in between each one as we do so. Now for the shoulder, from that corner, we're going to bring this line out and then down. We're going to close this off by curving this around and up. And then we'll do the same thing coming out on the left. Now on the right, we're going to arch this line up towards the top. And then closing off our shoulder, we're going to curve this line over. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.